Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily copy the text of a post on Reddit application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Reddit application. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android. Now for example, you've came across a post with text like this and you want to copy all the text of the post. All you'll have to do is to tap on three dots on the top right corner of the post, and after tapping on it you'll be able to find a lot of different options, and all you have to do is to tap on copy text right here, and your text will be copied and you can paste it anywhere, for example in the notepad section like this. So that's how you can easily copy the text of a post on Reddit application. If you have found the video helpful, if you have, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comments.